Are you a municipality or government agency seeking to simplify your procurement process for recycling equipment? You can now work with Rotochopper through Sourcewell, a nationally recognized program that provides a streamlined purchasing solution meeting competitive bid requirements for organizations like yourself. Hi, I'm Andy Bolson with Rotochopper. For over 30 years, Rotochopper has been at the forefront of transforming waste materials into valuable products such as colored landscape mulch, animal bedding, biomass fuels, and compost. Our factory direct approach allows us to focus intently on delivering innovative equipment and exceptional customer service. This commitment has positioned us as a leader in the industry, providing solutions that not only enhance efficiency, but also contribute to environmental sustainability. Our commitment to excellence extends to our partnership with Sourcewell, a cooperative purchasing organization that simplifies the procurement process for government, education, and nonprofit entities. Based in Staples, Minnesota, Sourcewell has the legal and legislative authority to bid on and award contracts that meet the procurement needs of its members. With Sourcewell, the procurement process is simplified, eliminating lengthy bidding while ensuring a smooth, transparent process. Members benefit from cost savings, access to trusted vendors like Rotochopper, and confidence in the quality of their purchases. Rotochopper holds Sourcewell contract number 030923-RTO for recycling and repurposing processing equipment. This contract allows us to provide tailored solutions with products such as horizontal grinders, baggers, shredders, conveyors, and trommel screens. Through the partnership, municipalities and government agencies at the county, city, and state levels can access top-tier equipment while minimizing valuable time and costs that would otherwise be incurred. Let's work together to provide you with the right recycling equipment for your organization, backed by our factory direct support. For more information, visit rotochopper.com.